Welcome to Vidu Claw. This is part 2, showcase and short tutorial showing real-time agent in action. We are going to create a short meme video clip. Entire process is recorded live as it happens. But first, let's ask Claw a couple questions. It is fun tool to use. Powerful assistant, ready for any task. Claw is always ready. It never sleeps. Let's get down and start our project. Talk to Claw, just like having a normal conversation with real live person. Prompt, or rather, explain the nature of the project you have in mind. State your goals, format, length, whatever you consider as important for your project. Claw can offer ideas, but in this case, we wanted to create something specific. We want a short video featuring sorceress having arguments and fight with some funky vegetables. Short meme. Rather simple prompt with specific details. This is all it takes. You can see agent reasoning and processes which Claw uses. Skills. You can create your own skills to be used by Claw as well. Skill is information module, with set of instructions that tell agent how to behave and what actions to perform. We are going to cover skills in greater detail. That is a topic for another tutorial. Right now, we're creating our short meme video. At this point, I was not sure what is happening with project, so I asked Claw about it. And here we are. Project is completed. Let us see what Claw did. Looks pretty good to me. Short meme video. Stay tuned until next tutorial showcase of Vidu Claw Agent. Can we get a like?
Silence, you Levy insurgents! Your garden rebellion ends here.
Finally, peace. And dinner.